Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a simple Greek salad easy guide. Start by rinsing and drying all produce, then chop tomatoes into wedges and cucumber into half moons. Thinly slice red onion and drain Kalamata olives, leaving some whole for garnish. Crumble feta cheese lightly in place in the bowl. Whisk olive oil with vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper, then toss gently to combine. Begin by prepping each ingredient for consistent bite and flavor. Chop tomatoes into wedges, slice cucumbers in half moons, and thinly slice red onion to keep a mild onion presence. Drain Kalamata olives and tear larger pieces if needed. Crumble most of the feta but save a few chunks for topping. Combine everything gently so the feta and olives distribute without breaking down the tomatoes or cucumber. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more people discover simple recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for making meal prep easy. They save time and keep salads fresh when you need portability. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick a set that fits your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make the dressing by whisking 3 parts extra virgin olive oil with 1 part red wine vinegar until emulsified. Add dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a few grinds of black pepper, then taste and adjust. Pour the dressing over the salad in the large bowl and fold ingredients gently with a spoon and tongs to avoid smashing tomatoes. Finish by adding reserved feta chunks and a few whole olives as a simple garnish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.